Hello physios, after the completion of MMT on shoulder joint, we are going to learn on elbow joint. As we have some of the bones surrounding here, humerus, radius, ulna, forming elbow joint. And the elbow joint actions are flexors, extensors, forearm, supination, pronation. Your elbow joint flexion extension muscles are biceps brachii, brachialis, brachioradialis. Extensors, triceps brachii, and coneus. Forearm supination, supinator muscle, biceps brachii. Forearm pronation, pronator teres, pronator quadratus. Let's entering into its elbow flexion. First, you can see the range 0 to 150 degrees. And there are your three muscles for the elbow flexion MMT. Your biceps muscle, the patient should be in short sitting. Your brachioradialis sitting and the brachialis in the forearm must be in pronation. As you can see in this picture, the forearm position, it is different for the each muscle. For biceps brachii, forearm in supination. For brachialis, forearm in pronation. And for brachioradialis, the forearm in mid position between pronation and supination. Let's entering its grade 543. Position of patient is short sitting and therapist standing, and the testing is about flexion of elbow joint to the available range of motion. And the instructions, you should give that bend your elbow as much as you can. That is your grade 543 with maximal resistance, moderate resistance, with no resistance. And the resistance must be applied at the forearm. And next, grade 2 is your complete or partial range of motion with an eliminated plane. And the position of patient is sitting. Arm must be abducted to 90 degrees. Therapist is standing. And the testing is about available range of flexion, elbow flexion. And the instruct to the patient is bend your elbow as much as you can. And the grade 10 is telling about supine position, standing. Testing is about bending elbow with respect to the muscles. And you need to be in a flicker of contraction and no contraction. Just only you can palpate at the elbow joint. And the elbow extension is about 150 degrees to 0 degrees. As the muscle plays important role in triceps brachii. 543 are position of patient prone, position of therapist in standing, and the testing is about available elbow extension range. And the instructions, straight the elbow, that you do not allow much into hyperextension. Straighten your elbow and hold it on, and don't let me the bend it much. That is the instructions you should give the patient. And the grade 543 tells about maximum resistance, moderate resistance, with no resistance. And the resistance must be applied at the forearm, back of the forearm. And the grade 210 is short sitting with a gravity eliminated plane, and position of therapist is standing, and the test must be an extension of your elbow as much as you can. And the instructions, try to straighten the elbow in an available range of motion. That are instructions to be given to a patient. And 210, 2 is your partial range of motion, gravity eliminated plane, and 1 is your flicker of contraction. 0 tells about your no contraction. Next, coming into the forearm supination, about 0 to 80 degrees, and the muscles plays important role in supinator biceps brachii. As the position of patient is about short sitting, and the elbow must be flexed to the 90 degrees. Your forearm must be an pronation. Position of therapist in standing. And the testing is, the test should be begins in pronation and supination. until your palm must be faces towards the ceiling. It means your fan. And the instructions, turn your palm up. And 543, maximum resistance, moderate resistance, 3, no resistance. But in examination you should write complete range of motion with against the gravity and maximum resistance, moderate or no resistance. And the next is, and the resistance must be at the forearm against the action. And the grade 2 is about position of patient sitting, position of therapist standing, supporting the hand. Testing is about supinating the forearm. And the instructions, turn your palm towards our face. And grade 10 is position of patient sitting, elbow must be in flex and therapist standing, supports the forearm. Testing is about supinate the forearm. Instructions, try to turn your palm so it faces the ceiling. Next, forearm is on pronation from 0 to 80 degrees. As in this picture telling about 543 grades, and the position of patient is short sitting and your elbow must be flexed to 90 degrees with forearm must be in supination, and the therapist will be in standing beside the testing position. And the test is about forearm pronation. And we can also give instructions to the patient that turn your palm downwards and don't let me turn it up. That means we should do the resistance against the action. Keep your wrist and the fingers must be relaxed. And the 543 tells about complete range of motion against the gravity with maximal or moderate or no resistance. While grade 2, position of patient sitting, elbow flexed to 90 degrees and the position of therapist is cupping the hand under the elbow. It means the therapist will place the hand under the elbow. And the test is about pronates the forearm. Instructions to the patient like turn your palm facing out away from your face. And grade 10 tells about, and grade 2 is about gravity eliminated plane. Grade 10 is talking about position of patient sitting, therapist support the forearm at distal elbow. Testing is about pronate the forearm. Instructions, try to turn your palm down. Next video is based on MMT of wrist joint. This video is based on your elbow joint, flexion, extension and supination, pronation. If you have any query, you can comment it. Like, subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching.